Greetings of peace, together again with DRT Cattle Farm. The situation of our cowshed this morning is very dirty. Mehmet has started cleaning up the accumulated cow dung. Cow dung is piled up behind the cow and then thrown away. Because he was used to it, Mehmet no longer felt disgusted in the slightest. All cow dung is collected, then thrown into the shelter. Everything is cleaned one by one, while it is not tortured. The cow food containers all still look empty. All the food that is still being prepared is placed in front of the cow underneath. It seems that Toffen is preparing mixed ingredients for breakfast this morning. Typhoon prepares food ingredients in a bucket that has been prepared for further stirring. Each cow gets a different size, depending on the size of the cow. Mehmet took a cart to use to transport the collected cow dung. Mehmet loaded the cow dung into the cart and he pushed it into the shelter. Wow, bril baru saya datang, sepertinya dia ketiduran. Brill immediately joined in helping prepare food for his cows. Brill is very active, because Brill has 3 cows in this cowshed. Mehmet looks very busy, and hasn't finished cleaning the cow dung. All the cow food has been prepared in the black trough, waiting for its time to be distributed. Toffen, Mehmet, and Brill shared tasks, and worked together. You can see all the cows are patiently waiting for their food. Looks like Brill and Toffen are discussing something. Wow, this cow can't wait for his food. The cow feed container still looks empty. Brill and Toffen haven't finished mixing it. Meanwhile, Mehmet was seen still busy collecting cow dung. Boss Ogi is coming. To control the cowshed. It's complete. The 4 of them are already in this cowshed.
Beda sultanah, beda calon sultanah,
Ogi is the boss.
beda
Brill is the future boss.
ketua.
Toffen is the head of the cowshed.
Yang mana?
And Mehmet
Kandang.
is his subordinate.
Jadi anak buah ada situng dah.
We communicate using the regional language of Madura.
Apa jadi Bril? Oh.
Let's see Brill, what he's doing in the back of the cage. It turned out that Brill was washing cassava peels to mix the cow feed.
Kolek campur nggak Bril?
The cowshed still looks dirty because Mehmet hasn't finished cleaning it yet. The process of washing cassava skin takes a while and must be really clean. Brill is very diligent in helping Typhoon and Mehmet. Brill helps out during school holidays.
Angkat Bril. Ayo ngoleh tangan leh. Bril.
There was one cow that started to get impatient waiting for food, so that her leg was raised to the food container. Wow, Mehmet is still busy collecting cow dung into the cart. Boss Ogi is busy peeling papayas to give to the cows.
Sultan ngombe kates ya. Karo cukun sapi aja nah.
The cassava skin is clean. It can be seen that the wastewater washing the cassava skin is very dirty. Boss Ogi is mixing papaya into one of the cow's food. Cassava skin is ready to be mixed with other foods.
Ada anak-anak ya. Sero video lagi ya nah. Atau
Toffen helped Mehmet clean up the remaining cow dung. In order to finish quickly, Brill also helped. The remaining cow dung is cleaned with water and sent to the Thus, this morning's activity of caring for cows at our place.
Calatung.
Residual dirt that has not been cleaned, all sprayed using water.
Tak nuru.
This section is clean, just another part. Look at it now, our cow shed is clean, and we are ready to give food to the cows. Thanks for watching this video, see you again. Thanks very much.